This is how it started. An approach on social media site TikTok. Hello, with a smiley face emoji to get the attention of the person. Exchanges begin, relationships blossom. It's fairly common. This, however, is not innocuous. This is the beginning of a well-coordinated scam. A romance scam. Think Tinder swindler, but not meeting the person. This was February 15, a month ago. Richard here from Romania targeted victim Vicky. We've changed her name to protect her identity.
He said he's a business person. So what happened is that we even video call, we talk a little. And mostly, we didn't want to see if the person is a short person. I even look on these pictures on TikTok. So most of them is like videos, but it's really like looking like him.
They spoke in the following days and weeks leading up to March, her birthday month. Richard from Romania, who she believed she had developed a close relationship with, offered to send her a package.
The package consists of $15,000 US, a laptop, a iPhone, a bracelet, and also a perfume set. So he sent me a receipt with my name, everything on it.
She even received this photo as evidence of the money being sent, and also videos of Richard in store buying the items and pictures of him shipping them off to her. She received this WhatsApp from Anthony claiming to work at Diplomatic Security Services at Sangster International Airport. But there was a catch.
He said I'm supposed to deposit a some amount of money before I can get it.
The first deposit on March 6, 8:17 a.m., $55,000. She was told this was a clearance fee. Then another payment.
They said that they find a sum of amount of $15,000 US in the package, and I should pay a sum of $180,000 for the money in the package.
She paid a further $120,000 at 11:08 a.m. that morning. In total, she was scammed $455,000. She only stopped after calling the real Sangster Airport and was told there was no diplomatic security service department.
Let me say, what is me get myself in now?
She has not heard back from Richard since.
I thought it was a birthday gift, because he said he really want me to come over with my kids.